Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Bloom Nutrition Creatine Gummies, which have been marketed as a woman-friendly creatine supplement that promises muscle support, endurance, and recovery benefits, all in a convenient gummy form. We tested these gummies consistently to see if they actually live up to the hype. Creatine is one of the most studied supplements in the fitness world, and it's well known for improving strength, performance, and recovery. What Bloom Nutrition has done is repackage it into a gummy format that feels easier and more enjoyable to take daily, especially for those who don't love mixing powders. The taste is sweet, fruity, and enjoyable, making it a supplement that feels more like a treat than a chore. Over several weeks of use, we noticed improvements in endurance during workouts and slightly faster recovery times compared to when we weren't using creatine at all. The convenience of grabbing a few gummies on the go also made consistency much easier. The pros here are convenience, taste, and the fact that you'll still get the performance benefits of creatine without having to deal with powders or shakes. The cons are that each gummy has added sugar. The dosage per serving can be lower than standard powdered creatine, and the price per gram of creatine is significantly higher. Overall, Blue Nutrition Creatine Gummies are a solid option for women or anyone who wants a more enjoyable way to get creatine in daily, but they're not the most budget-friendly choice. If you prioritize convenience and flavor, these are worth it. If you're after maximum value, stick with the plain creatine monohydrate. This has been how to lure you keeping smart and simple and scam-free.